How to actually fix AI writing. Do not write a style guide. Do not give it your emails for your voice. It doesn't have to sound like you, it just has to sound like a normal person. 3 steps. Step 1, get an API key from OpenRouter. OpenRouter allows you to try a ton of LLM models. For our purposes, it will cost us fractions of pennies. Step 2, give the API key to your AI. Or better yet, have it create a placeholder for the key, and you can paste it in yourself. Step 3, ask it to give the same writing prompt to various models to find one that you like. Unless you're curious, I recommend you let the AI browse and choose which models to try. You can say, I want you to target models that you think will sound very different, not only in their choice of words, but what they choose to say or not say. Don't worry about whether the model is not smart, as long as it can handle the following prompt. And you want to make sure the prompt has sufficient information and instruction. For example, write a pitch for the following project. I am attaching my resume and relevant past projects. You twiddle your thumb for a while or context switch and work on something else. And voila, here are the results. You can see that Anthropic went for your core problem is a reconciliation gap, high-value claims arriving without matching front-end and counter or authorization records, and no sustainable architecture to tie those data sets together, yada yada. DeepSeek went for Jay here. I reviewed your brief on the claims reconciliation challenge, and my proposal focuses squarely on the core architectural problem. And Quen went for I'm Jay Kim, a solutions architect and AI engineer, currently advising federal program on secure governance first AI and data modernization. You can of course add stylistic guide that says always write in full sentences, and that will remove phrases like Jay here. But when I said do not write a style guide, what I meant was that model plus style guide will not think differently, which is ultimately what you want. Giving personas can mitigate things to an extent, but you will see the model struggling to say the same thing in so many ways. Also, a note about why you shouldn't give it your emails for voice. You can ask the model what were the takeaways from those emails. It will talk about things like sentence length, diction, grammatical structure, none of which changes what it fundamentally wants to say. Paraphrase can only get you so far. This draft costs us fractions of pennies from Quen. To me, it's worth the cost, even though it's not covered by my cloud subscription. If you want this in Gmail, you can add a Gmail connector and have your AI store it as a draft. Hope this video was helpful. It would mean a lot if you subscribe to the channel. See you next time.